Just do it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? And them look away there. Yes, yes. Teasy! Morning, bro G. Morning, people. You understand me? Morning, Mr. Wholeness. See you, Muya. Yes, yes, Jamaicans. A double standard people, them, you know, even the government, daddy. You see me, I did? Because you know how long dancehall music they. Alright, so pre now. So the economy is collapsing because of dancehall music too. Is our children getting raped and murdered because of dancehall music? Because I'm not hearing another dancehall song where we say fuck pitney and cut them throat, you know. And fuck girl and cut them throat, you know. We never say that yet, you know. We say gunshot for boy, you know. Boy violate and get gunshot, you know. Me understand, Mr. Wholeness. But from the other day, gunman nah kill gunman like how man a kill girl down at that. I mean, never hear one dancehall artist can tell no. I fuck them, tell them for fuck girl in a them mouth, breed girl. Get 2, 3 youth from one girl and then go get from 2 more girl. And fuck girl, them love girl. Girl. Suck off more the 3 some with girl. All sodomite them sing but say them want fuck. When me hear a dancehall artist a reason about girl, me hear him say fuck she a suck him, girl body broad, girl look good, we no beat girl, we fuck girl. Me that me know dancehall music tell me about girl, so what make a reason now? From what day gunman not dead like girl? Bitch then, cause we no like girl at Jamaica, you know, they don't love woman they don't be so old this. So good reason. When we hear the dancehall artists them attack, yes, them say if a boy violate me get gunshot, me run around this and me run in this and me run out this one. Yeah, I wanna give them place to run. You think I get a youth can just get up out of himself and look on a scheme and say me I go over there go run that. No. No corruption, politician and whole heap of bumbuckler. This your sector and that the sector there. So you blame that the party and that the party they blame. And the whole of una give people gun. Una bring in them gun here in the island. For them artists that can sing about it, cause una give them place for run bad man. Me never see a ghetto youth can just get up out of himself and say, you know what? Me a go down a blood clot Maxfield go run it. No, Papa. No, give them gun, and who no give them place, and who no give them and say them are done. Every done where the boy have one politician back at them. Remember then did say, Dodo Squawk is a JLP, and a JLP them back him big time. Remember that. Remember say then did say Zeke's a one PNP and PNP back him big time. And them are known murderers. Remember say uno politician and uno bumbucklad people have honor or whatever uno call on yourself, people have education. Uno they behind all of them murderer ya. And uno give them place for run and say down this a jail peel stronghold and down this a PNP stronghold pussy so uno no come with it. Make we talk about statistics. Then if una go say at the dancehall, you think the dancehall artists can buy so much gun and make them come in free or then do swim under bumbucklad water with them? Jamaica is a small island, one little landmass. Una have a wharf. Where the gun them a come through, Anjo? Una no pack out them barrel there and see what go down in a them and una no screw down the car them and see una know about all of the gun them. Remember say the last time went on them find how much in gun, including the gun we do the mass shooting in Las Vegas. Remember say one politician did a care that come in our country. Remember that now. Remember say one politician did a carry in all of them weapons there. Be weapons. Even the one who do the murder them in Las Vegas. You see the one who do the big shooting in Las Vegas, all that did in the bungle and is a politician. Did I bring that going on in the country? Because what you do? Uno as a politician bring in the gun them, give the youth them, then uno play a bumbuckler victim and then blame me same ghetto youth them for your talk about say, oh uno want this. No pussy wall, I wanna give them violence, I wanna give them corruption, I wanna give them gun. Ghetto youths can't buy gun. Ghetto youths can't buy gun. Who no feel like enough of them artists who want to see a Jamaica make no one whole heap of money. Some might have thief in money. Enough of the artists that can't even buy gun. Who knows politician that buy gun, give ghetto youths to kill them one another. Then no blame the ghetto youths them want try make a way out. What you mean? Who not look a hype off for ghetto youth them. True no put them in a corruption and poverty. No one want to put the blame upon them after people vote on the in. If you do better for Jamaica, who say you need to go do better on use the same youth them. We not turn around and fight now. If you make dub plate, if you make big shout out, blood clot this and blood clot that, at that the time there, them are never poverty and starvation and bumbuckler and murder and violence. Them was a vote. Pussy. Them was a vote at that time, but uno put the youth them in a poverty, give them a heap of gun, and the youth them say them a make lyrics and a sing about what them say. What uno show them, what uno give them. Don't come put it on bomb. A generations of this, you know. One party after this party. Right now, I'm not on no party. Because the whole of the party them there is a corrupt the whole system, bad man. This your party a buy gun for feed them followers them. This your party a buy blood clot gun for feed them followers. The whole of a bad man in a politics there. Remember, no for a bad man come out come talk. Say they have enough politician in them pocket and politician a buy gun give them. Uno don't come put this pan ghetto youths now after uno pave the way for you them. Uno give them gun, give them place for run and tell them to go kill them one a blood clot. Neither so it easier for uno pussy hole. So when you hear the artists them a sing now and make a better way out, me nah go tell you say yo, my father look at youth no catch up in the way him catch up the other day. I wanna pave that the way they fi bomb like them too. Even though my father is a big man, should have the dry him youth out of that or send him go one different country or send him go one another parish or tie him in a bomb clot yard like a dog. You see me I deal with? How you mean? My father sing blood clot gun lyrics, cartel too. Whole heap of other artists. Look how much artists sing gun lyrics and you never hear them man they in a badness yet. What you do? You get up every day and look for dancehall artists who go bumbuckler lock up so till you can have bumbuckler sting, a bumbuckler jail. Right now, the whole of dancehall lock up. And crime and violence still a go on pussy hole. So what you say? Who know the problem and not get a youths man? Who know the problem and not get a youths? Get a youths so no. You feel me? But uno want pine finger right now because uno think uno get caught in uno no get caught in a chopper. Uno pave the way for country is the way it is right now. Uno say a dancehall artist when me never hear a dancehall artist tell nobody fi kill a girl yet. I yesterday them see a man chop a bumbuckler woman in her face with a lass because him and her have a little altercation and ray and tear. As a man, you know fi looking at yourself and take up no lass, boy you go chop no woman in her face. As a man, you should have that we are talking about in Anjuka right now. Gun and gun violence now go on like how girl get stabbed and cut short down at that, you know. But you look for pine finger over one part when nothing now go on too tough right now. Yes! Make it bumbuck like bad man and kill them one another. Make it fucker then dead. Make it fucker then get where they forget and dirt and pussy clot ground. Make them murder them one another. But when we are talking about them your girl pitney who are dead like fly back at one another, you want to come talk about dancehall artists and the crime and pussy will look for your crime and violence way down the right and now you think a man we are two off of them blood clot one another. And innocent girl pitney them who can't even hurt a fly to pussy hole and get them a fucking treatment here. Tab up you wish part in the music. Mr. Wholeness ever hear that youth? Which part in the music ever hear that youth? You know hear one time the man them talk about girl if you ever touch him girl man dirty. Which part ever hear a man look and no bumbuckler studio producer and time say your voice is this. Make sure say you cut girl throat and tap them up. No make girl. Wait, you hear that bad man? He's a fool? Which part? You ever hear one dancehall artist say them sit about a girl pick me? talk about the matter at hand. You can talk about blood clot crime and violence because of bumbo clot dancehall artists. Fuck that. If bad man and bad man are war, make them go murder them one a bumbo clot and they're not safe for you. Your officer then get for keep some shot. Make them me a talk about the matter at hand right now. Them gyal who are dead. The amount of gyal where you can't find and Joe. I dance all artists, them you go blame for that to youth. When you go wipe the matter out of your eye, when you come to do the job what the people and vote you for do. When you plan to do that, when you plan to do the vote, you say you go do one job, where you use the man them for come in the office for them, pussy. If a them you blame for bumbuckler crime and violence now, you're a user or manipulator, pussy hole. You're a, hey boy, don't bother with the fuckery. Bother with it. Because ghetto youths, the right yes, and me never hear a ghetto youths tell people if you kill blood clot girl yet. Right now, be a girl are dead. Right now, warfare, me see police are with most of them war from what they are dirt, couple man who if you get dirt, yes. But warm to them girl we are dead off so. Who no want to send them boy a go to jail? No man, Mr. Wholeness man, he's a fool. But one time when you catch the boy, them want dirt, then one another uno dirt them. So why one time when you catch the boy, them want dirty female them? Why uno not dirt them? Cause the man them want bad alone, don't have a problem with them one another. So the man them want kill the woman, them uno have no problem with them. They can just go catch and put a jail. Who no want to catch them on fire and make them run through the street and make everybody beat them while they're on fire? You don't want to do that? Alright. What you want to do? Can them go lock them up over so and give them people taxpayer money to feed them? The same taxpayer money will hold up a girl for your work, for your mind that the drunk they will brutally kill woman and them they sitting there. But you rather go, they got dirt. The man them want dirt, them one another. Yes, them for dirt. So them you for dirt too, man. Them have worse at dirt, man. Them you want over here for dirt too. If them you for dirt, we say yes, dirt. We say yes, dirt that. This you one you for dirt worse, man. You know no mama. Someone say you know no daughter, but you know no mama. You know no mama. I can't talk about you, brother. You come, you call all yourself bro God. 3 years, say the thing hot out the road and 6 this and 6 that and bro God. Bro God, I'll know you don't prove yourself as a bumbuckler, bro God. You don't prove yourself. Me rascal if my face of the country, him not do a good fucking job. Face of the country. What you mean? Them vote you in. If you go talk up for the country, you not talk up for it. You blame other people for it. The thing them what you fear do, you not implement no law. You not go in there for you try make them implement no new laws. Me no hear you do none of that. No. So what the fuck we have vote for then? But face our country. You mean you face our country? You fear talk up for we. You not talk, you're fucking silent. You know, you a face so empty your fucking mouth. You know what me? You know what me? So what people vote for you for? What people blood? So what the fuck you not do? Vote for face? A face you not vote for? Me rascal, him a prime minister means and can talk to higher heads. Him supposed to open up his mouth for uno, cause uno can't open up to no mouth for him now. Uno can't go open up uno mouth to the governor general or the fucking queen, you know. Him can't open for him bumbuckler mouth. And that's why uno vote him in, you know, for open him mouth. For vice, for uno frustration what uno go through. Uno see him open me mouth? You know see him fucking mouth lock. He mouth lock right in front of bumbuckler way. All me want to know what we have vote for face. The whole of we are bleach. We don't even have no bumbuckler face no more. You see me I deal with face. Something out in our open. Him not see country. And these people blood clot vote for youth. Mirrors. So that means that we have vote. What them are prefect? What them are prefect? What them are prefect? I must some pussy clot prefect them. No laws, me not. Alright then. If you is just the face of Jamaica, where you come board for do? So all of the sitting them where you say you coulda do, you can't do them. You just have said that So people vote then. Because if I just that you say is just a face of a country. So what the fuck people are vote for? Nothing you can't do. So what the bumbuckler they are doing in office? Eh? All you combo clocks. My preferred choice. Be a hot song. All blood clad. Mama Pepsi do song for you. Javalani do song for you. Government badness. And you blame them for murder. So what you can do? Where you come about? A clocks you come about? Brother, every day we in a dance a show of clocks to one another. Bad clocks. So you couldn't talk for with them. You can't do nothing for with them. So the bumbuckler we have vote for. Mama, I don't want to hear you about too much blood clot, bad word, Mama, because I'm in a parliament. And that don't come about pussy. I'm going to call you all a bitch too. You see me I did? Yeah, man, I'm not frustrated. Someone going to claim so I don't have too much blood clot education about too much bad word. Go suck out on the Mama, every part of it. Because someone will claim to say some blood clot upright, just how you can't take bad word and you can't take this, you know. How the deterioration of the blood clot island. Because you claim to say you know better, but you can't shed a fucking light. Shut the fuck up. Because you come just like blood clot Anjo. If me go blood clot reason with Anjo, me not go come in the con reason with him. Me not go study no dictionary if you can reason with none of bomba clot uno. Me not study no thesaurus, me not study no dictionary, and me not go read no encyclopedia about no blood clot uno. More than me go this uno. Move! Because someone can't take bad word, you can't take this, or you can't, but you can't help it blood clot island. Eh? You don't say no good about pussy clot down there, so you know how to come reason with. Every day people reason with Andrew, so. Andrew, you know, we get this problem that I want you to elaborate about in Parliament, because I think Jamaica has a small problem that we all should shed light. Me nah no bumbuckler time for that good as. So if that you come for me bumbuckler live for mama next. Me a reason we do no fuck him and no vote for down the party. You see me party? Me no want you come tell me no fuckery of me ears. Because when you hear the whole of the bumbuckler good words them on TV, I hit to no vote for. Look at the country now. And you never tell you no bad word one day in a pussy clot life. But look at your fucking country. Look on girl are dead. Underneath them the good talking there. Look how girl are dead under education talking. Eh? You see the fucking man who no vote for down there. Me not enough time for come come reason with him like no blood clot. Brother, me never got fucking college. You see, you sir, they are fucking girl them down they are dead. Every day you wake up one another princess dead. One another queen dead. Another mother, another single mother gone to the dirt. So sir, what me a reason with you? Listen me now. Are the artists them a do that too? Are the artists them a do that too? The artists them a tell man fi go cut off girl neck and tap them up and throw them in a gully and tap them up next door to them pitney. Tap them up and kill them before them pitney birthday, which is in a 2 day. Oh, no need for go reason with the people who want to deal with them proper, got people frustrated with no fuckery. So we want to ask you now, this crime rate and the rape and the murdering of women is at an all-time high in Jamaica, you know. Are the artists them a do that too? And most the artists them a tell you say, go in a woman's house, bust their shot, tap that, cut that, kill that. You man? The artists them, so when you are going to take accountability for your land, where you make people vote for you run. Because I don't care about who wants to say I face a Jamaica, you know. Are you all accountable for the leadership, boy? Are you claim as the leader? You are the leader. So here we know. Me never see Queen in a parliament yet. Me never see none of them a blood clot England in a parliament yet, pussy. And you will see. You Bumbo hole you, big pussy you, we see. In a parliament. So we hold you as leader, we hold you as the general, we hold you as the man who carry you to the forefront. What you are do? Because we don't see I do nothing, you know. Every day you get up and try blame a nation where you have to try fix. Oh, you have to blame the people in a nation. Fix it, boy, that you come here to do. You don't come to fix it. Rascal, this is an idiot you ask me for 100 cause. So, idiot are the artists then cause. Most of them the bumbuckler artists who somehow claim to say high society. Big junk. Because no for no believe in the same thing like Andrew, you know. No for the high society fuck Jamaica there. Them believe the same way to count the things so there in a high standards. So no fi go suck no more, man. Who no fi go suck out to the mama high society Jamaica, cause who now one of the reasons why Jamaica fucked up. Oh, you mean if I am bumbuckler Cassie? When you come ball for sitting where you can't run for pussy hole, me say what me say. Eh? Oh, you fi come here and talk about your yard this. And you can't run your own yard, bitch. Pussy, you mean? You can't run your own yard. Bumbo hole idiot. That me say. Go sit down. Go take a chair, pussy. That me say idiot. You know me not gonna tell us an artist. You want to no artist not do that. Which one of them you say you can murder one of your cousin them? Eh? The politician them a buy gun give pussy clap man for kill paper. I him cause a pussy hole. I want to know much artists not do nothing boy. But you know high society drunk. Want bumbuckler get a use to blame. Suck no mother. Cause get a use to do nothing. Pussy hole I wanna do we sit in. Cause we there in a broke situation. We voice we opinion for help. From uno, suck uno mother. I wanna look down for we every day with life, pussy hole. And then want blame we vote for better. Pussy hole go. Go man, I'm moving the pussy hole from here so. Because enough of in a high society, what I wanna see, wanna think the same way, pussy. I want to tell you, man. Don't fuck on yourself, man. Me not cuss no Labour Party, girl, don't come to me no politician. Me say me a cuss every bumbucklad body, you know, when you say on our leaders, you know, hold them to blood clot eye, that's how you suffer and dead. Pussy. But blood, but don't cuss no Labour Party. Suck your mother and go take your vaccine and go. Pussy whole idiot, girl. Don't come here to me with no politics. Me not give a Labour shower, I will go bed, man, I'm moving a bumbucklad from here, so. Boy, man. And don't come here and say, whole on the high society cruff. I saw the whole on the blood clot thing, boy, and then we control down everything for we as get a use. Every day what we do is sit down and ball fail. And beg on the fail, pussy hole I want to look down for we. Go man, I'm moving a pussy hole. As nothing go on. We not ready for come blame get a youths. And get a youths not doing nothing. All we do is beg on the fail for we want to carry down there. We not bring base strap. So what we do, take strap, murder boy. I want to bring it coming out. You think so we can go out a wharf and say, yo, clear them gun there. Nah, I want to clear them and kill them come give you. Go man, I'm moving a bomb buckler, high society cruff. You know, stink like shit. And we DJ about what we say. I years now. Remember one time Jamaica used to trim and kill Rasta. So till you no stop. And Rasta can't walk free so till you no want to trim them again. You know, go man, you know, pussy hole. You know, high society drunk. You know, always try to do that. We don't play no bumbuckler politics scared with me right now. Because the island been get fucked by all kind of politicians. Whether orange, whether green. Some just fuck some harder. Don't fuck yourself, man. Because you know always I come talk about but the Labour they never do that. But the PNP, the whole of them pussy contribute to it fuckery. All of what go Jamaica. Everybody contributed in the politician field. The whole like corruption, the whole like everything. Police corrupted, politician corrupted, every fucking body corrupted. You know, corrupt and fuck up down at that blood clot. That's why no better can't come. Because when they say this one you are the right, then that one they are the wrong, then you are the wrong, then you are the right. None it can't balance. Because everybody fucking wrong. You can't lead not even a fucking flock of sheep. Pussy hole idiot. You can't lead nothing. No leaders. You not followers, pussy hole. Anybody can tell them to do anything on the running. Because you're an idiot, man. All I wanna see pussy clot thing. Orange, green, blue, pink. I don't give a fuck. All I wanna come here for better on self. We don't come here for better country. We not drunk across the PNP party deteriorate like a boardhouse to blood clot. Not even one leader that now have over the right and every day then get up fight against them one another. Same thing I go on over yesterday in a green party, so nobody can talk. Nobody can bumbuckle talk right now. So I know you nobody born no labor right now. This no rare. You can't everything are dead off down and that no fi see. None of them politician boy nor bitch you can help with. I don't give a fuck what no want to say. Me say what me say. PNP, JLP, MMB, TLC, BBC, the whole of bumbuckle them, everybody. JBC, TVJ, CVM, the whole of them corrupt. Corrupt. HTB, the whole of them. Prestige, the whole of them to bumbuckle. Every fucking one. National Bakery, every fucking one. Every fucking one of them corrupt. Everything corrupt. Poison. How they don't want to blame the ghetto youths them. Ghetto people who are broke and hungry. We can't even buy chicken back, much less buy one gunshot. So we as ghetto youths, broke and hungry, so can't even feed the family. What the blood clot we are take by gun? What we are going to take by gun? Now who now bring them come on? I bring gun and I tell you if you run off over there, so. And run off cross round there, so. And round there, so I feel with JPS, all you know. You know, corrupt. JPS are the corruptest thing. And from there, so the wall on the JPS, the wall on the floor, corrupt, all on the digital, corrupt. The whole system, corrupt. The whole politics, corrupt, on the corrupt. No corrupt, I don't want to wash out. I don't want some blood clot, Epsom salt, and fucking sanapad. I don't want to wash out. I don't want to come blame ghetto youth. I can't even buy for a fucking tin and mackerel. We are trying DJ to make white squall stop eat we. Because we are name white squall and name we. We DJ about what we see, what we not put on in our system, pussy wall. Every day when you get up in our system, see you yeah, see gun here, when you go and go sing about it, see poverty, a pussy wall, you know, tappy. We don't fucking tappy. Everything are we. You broke ghetto youth them. We see DJ and reach and look somewhere. We don't want we if it change life. We can't change nothing. We just barely draw ourselves out of poverty to blood clot. But you know what, as we boss, we make a difference like Martin Luther King. Go suck your mother dog. Are you will vote as Martin Luther King pussy hole? Are you fear do something about it? The whole on a shit pit. We don't do something about the fucking system. Me, all me turn bumbuckler prime minister tomorrow. Everybody me a fire like Donald Trump to pussy clot daddy. You're fired. Every bumbuckler. But JPS, you're first. Panelist. I chop off your fucking every light where you tear down every fucking light wire we have in my country. You flew all around of a move in a bumbuckler, tear down every light wire. Parliament I clear out every fuck. I don't want not fucking one only in the shit pit. I bet your ass. Say then clear out every fucking one hour. I bet you say country run better on a corrupted shit house. All I know. Big blood clot Easter Friday people hungry down at that. I artists then cost that too. Hey, Mr. Wellness. And the artists then cost 10 grand if you can't buy one scandal bag of grocery. Eh? You want to tell me say a Mavado, Ching, Conscience, can't tell them the whole of them. At them cost one bag of grocery if it cost $10,000 or $10,500. One scandal bag of grocery. So you mean if you tell me say the artists them were down there, them make the pitney them are dead. So much pitney dead, about 70 pitney dead from the year start. At them cost the pitney them fear dead. At them cost them your woman your throat fear get cut too. So you more yeah, why everything that Jamaica collapse? And the artists them are gonna get everything. Remember say the artists then did hungry too. Remember say some of the artists then still hungry and try to make a way for their family where uno make hungry as a government. What uno do? Uno blame everybody and not blame uno bumbuckler self. What uno self they forget blame? Like yo, Jano dog, a $10,000 for one bag of grocery. You go suck uno mother dog. So who are gonna get blame for that? We too? We can't even pussy clad find 5 grand for buy half bag. Chicken bag that $200 a pound. That's an exaggeration, but damn near. About $154 a pound for a fucking pound of chicken bag. Where you say $40? Why you so fucking $40? Me also remember one time 1 pound of chicken bag for $40 fucking dollar. So who I get to blame for that? Cause everybody I get blame, you know. Right you know, Mr. Ramesh and Lava for president. Yeah man, finance goes to Ramesh, people and goods go to Lava. Yeah man. Yeah man. Me and World Dog, we are the security ministers. You feel me? The counter fuck up. Uno fucking up big time. Sometimes I feel like the civilians can run a fucking island better than uno. $140 a pound for some chicken back. Me rascal. Chicken back, people. Yeah, must be. So what you can buy right now, people? Nothing. I hear this man come here, come contact. Right now, you know what the cause of the blood clot violence, Mr. Jew, Holness? Mr. Jew. Mr. Jew. Because you know, if you was in America, dog, that's what they would call you, Jew. You know what the cause of the blood clot crime and violence down there? The poverty level. The lack of money. The lack of food, starvation, and that cause the problem down the bad man. You see problem where you are run from, or you are casino, because there is no work, no jobs at all. In that Jamaican people have to thief, people have to go sell pussy. Remember say you make it possible, say girl have to sell pussy when them left school. Cause if you not come up with the 19 subject them and the 40 keep, you know you get fuck as you reach. You make sure say pussy a sell and you make sure say gonna bust. Because there is no jobs, there is no opportunity for the youths them. So I wanna make sure give them gun. I wanna make sure the scammer them can make 2 call and make money come in our country. No work, lack of work, lack of food, all of them they sitting there. If people are in a poverty, them no need to do violence. If you can't find it, them are gonna find a way to go get it. Them all rob, them all thief. Them a go thief, them a go rob, cause $140 a pound for some chicken back. Barely have meat. Everything lease out of Jamaica right now, you know, all we airport get lease, you know. A Dominica Republic lease that. Have that lease. So when we walk through it, we have to know so we are walk through one building, we're there in our island, we lease out to another country. So you see the reason why crime and violence is at all-time high are just because the economy is collapsing. The economy of Jamaica, they at an all-time low. Remember say $1 Yankee about 155 Jamaican dollar for $1 Yankee. And a $7,000 Jamaica minimum wage. What the fuck can you give? $7,000 for a week? So you want to blame me artist? Let me tell you who you have to blame. You. And you are the problem. Them boy are going to feed them family by any means. Them no business who are got dead but them not hungry. And you make it that way there. And you and the system and your people want to have in a parliament want to make it become 10 grand for 1 bag of grocery with 2 pounds of flour, 2 pounds of sugar, 2 pounds of rice. Not even look a meat kind. So when you blame yourself, blame the people them who want to sit down around every day. I want to make the economy collapse the way it collapse. Because we sell everything and we don't own nothing and so till everything have to get leased. So you mean people have to feed them kids, people now are hungry so them do what them have to do. And you make it that way there. I want to make it that way there. Wearing $10,000 can't buy rice, flour, and meat. Oh, you mean? So them do what them have to do. I wanna make it that way there. And I wanna buy the gun them, and I wanna make it possible. I wanna make it possible for crime and violence is an all-time high. Because we not feed on the children. And like America, me know so is a third world country. We can't give out food stamps and so, but we must can even feed on the fucking pitney them. Even the pandemic was going, you know, even $1,000 a week for each child. 1,000 Jamaican dollar ain't shit. For feed you look up pitney them. Not even that you can't do. So what you expect? What you expect? The people them hungry, the people them broke. So what the fuck you don't do? Remember you there in your big chair and big house, every bomb buckle out there. Board house and zinc still there, the Anjo. People still hungry and can't buy £1 of fucking chicken back. So you mean, crime rate go high. Looking at yourself, youth. And stop blame the economy. Because of you make it the way how it is, youth. You two are one come, say, yes, we good. Then uno say, we can make it better. Then vote out the Orange Party 20 years now. And I know better. What the one good one do? Everybody make your column. Every time one wanna take over economic collapse like a further. Cause all for no bomb buckle itself. They don't want to blame me get a youth and they don't want to blame broke people. We broke. We can't even buy food. So what the fuck you expect? How you have to survive? How you do? All of we people have to sell fuck. People have to thief. How you mean? The economy fucked up, brother. The woman them want thief cheese in a supermarket. They not no gun. A hungry them blood clot hungry and have nothing to eat. Them are going to share up that with the rest of bomb clot hungry people them. So you are the problem, you know, and not the fucking ghetto youths them. I uno want clear the gun them a waff because I uno have the country in our hand. So with the bomb clot, you go blame them. I uno have the bomb clot country in our hand. I uno make them a gun your pass. I want that one gun. Yes. I uno make them a pass, you know. And then I wanna make it collapse. Economy, I fuck with the youth. Them say them have to go, they go do what them have to do thief. Them have go thief on the cheese, them have go thief for all kind of things. So the time when you sit down right, this are blame dancehall music. We are sing about what them see. And when they see them sing about it, Andrew. People hungry every day. Starving. Pitney they hungry. You know how to feed the pitney them, Andrew? You know how to feed the youth them. So what you going to do? Sit down at your yard and make your pitney them dead for blood clot hungry. You know, if you go out the road, go make a one move. 1, 2 move. I wanna make them move, you possible. I wanna make them blood clot gun here coming at the island, you know. You know think say, I will one waff. Rascal. I wanna one waff. You know find the least amount of guns 1, 2 times per year, you know, we find a couple local gun. And them a pass right this way now on the wharf. I wanna make them a pass. He's a joke. So why we hungry? Are the artists them so we don't want them to do? The whole of the artists when you didn't get to a bus and come down, whatever do, get up every day and feed with. Them have hungry people too. Them themselves blood clad hungry and need something for them. So what them going to do? Box the food out and feed them mouth to feed your economy, Mr. Wholeness. It's a joke. So since the artists them get the whole I blame for this, so the artists them for correct economy too, it's a joke. More move go to China. Everybody's who move from Jamaica and go to China. Because that is just a city of China. Jamaica is a city of China, I know that. The Chinese capital. What is the capital of China? Jamaica. The biggest Chinese city in the world. The biggest Chinese city. Me want to move to blood clot China. I want to go the big. Me don't want to live in capital no more. I want to live a big China now. I want to go to China. Because little China a joke. Me not get no work a little China. The capital of China is Jamaica. Go fix that. Go help her with that. How much money we owe China? Why China can't come down like and do what them feel like? Why them can't come in with submarine when them feel like? I feel them place. Remember in the Jamaican government, I uno first start give people place to run and give them say them are done. So see me like how you give blood clot China they go okay if you can turn down at that too man. How you get to you them gun and tell them if you turn down round a scare town, round a bad man place, round a blood clot flankers. Remember who no give out them gun there. And a uno give out no for the gunshot them a fire uno. He show out who if he dead pussy hole so no come with it. Don't come with it. You feel me? I uno responsible millions of death down at Jamaica on the same government. Because on the other hitman fi go do that. Enough hitman say politician pay them fi go kill other man tappy. Uno contribute to the most of the violence of Jamaica. Tappy man. So you see, if bad man them wanna blame in a parliament then there. I uno that every day. You see, when a friend them want make it dub plate them phone no? Uno. Uno order them lick there. Enough boy that uno response for in a parliament there. Don't think we don't know. Because some of them bad man they talk. Who am to you know some man untouchable. I government me a work with. I want to your youth. Remember so we know so don't come blame me youth them now. Blame on yourself pussy hole. Blame on yourself. On a sold out. The whole of as Jamaican politician and police and the whole of JPS, the whole of flow, the whole of sell out. On a soul black pussy hole. And then you want blame us. Don't do that. Blame on yourself pussy hole. I wanna make all of the money and I reap all of the honey and I left we in a shit. So stop the fuckery. Cause one time you go home at night time oldness, I want big bumbuckler house you with your grocery them enough. You can't afford Jamaica grocery. We can't. So don't come blame none of we boy. So go and go fix your yard. Fix your yard, youth. And don't come with your fuckery. Go fix your blood clot yard.